Today we are looking at how to make money on YouTube without making your own videos. So in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this whole process step by step. I'm going to show you how to get started with this. I'm going to show you where you can find the videos to use that you upload onto YouTube. I'll also show you some free software, and it's awesome. It really is awesome. And then basically once you've done all of that, I'll show you examples of people who are earning money following this exact process of what you can learn in this video, and at the end of this video you'll know exactly where to go, how to do this, and you can start creating your own channel on YouTube without having to go and make your own videos and be on camera like I'm doing here. So this is really simple. You do not need any skills, you do not need any experience, and it's all absolutely free to get started with this. So let's go ahead and jump into this video and I'll just walk you through what you need to do. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. If this is the first time you're on the channel, then hello and welcome, and to all the regulars, thank you and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to walk you through the entire process and I'm going to show you some examples of people doing this, because this is part 7, I think it's part 7 in the series. So if you missed any of the previous videos, don't worry, I'll drop the links to all of those down below and you can go ahead and check those out. So if you like this video, you find it useful, please go and like it or dislike the video and leave a comment down below for me. Let me know if you find this useful, if you're actually doing this method, or if you're going to go ahead and actually try and make money with this method. So I'm over on this website, Blade. Now if you've missed any of the previous ones, this here is basically, it's a website where you can go ahead and preview or have a sneak peek at different YouTube channels and how much they are earning. So I've got this channel here. Let me go ahead and show you this one. It's called 10 Minutes Amazing Life. So you can see here they've uploaded 250 videos. This is the current number of subscribers. This is the current number of views. And for the total number of uploads versus the subscribers, they're doing very well. And I'll go ahead and show you this channel in a minute, and I'll show you exactly how you can go ahead and basically create a very similar channel yourself. But I'll also walk you through where you can go ahead and get these videos and how you can put all of these together using a free software. Then I'll show you an example video that I did last night using this. So basically I'll show you the whole process. So if you like this, you can go ahead and get set up with this today. So if you scroll down here, this is the channel. So you can see here, this is the average monthly earnings and this is the yearly earnings. Now, I would take these earnings and put actually what they're actually earning in the middle. So this channel here, I would say that they're earning about 35 grand a month, which is insane, isn't it? 35 grand a month for sharing these sorts of videos. Now if I scroll down here, you can see this here is the daily earnings. It's just bizarre, isn't it? It really is. So you can see on here, so also on here you can see the total number of subscribers that the channel's gaining every single day, the total number of video views, and then at the bottom here you've got a live count. But over on the right hand side here you can see the estimated figure of money that they're earning every single day. And this is, I'm in the UK, so this is the UK prices over here. So they're earning a significant amount of money from sharing. Personally, I think they're very bizarre videos, but let's go ahead and show you the channel now. So this over here is the channel 10 Minutes Amazing Life. You can see total number of subscribers. Now if we scroll down here, look at the videos that they're doing. They're sharing these slime videos and they're sharing, I mean I didn't even know this was a thing, soap carvings. Look at this, 1 week ago this video here got 159,000 views. And it's basically some lady carving soap. and not even carving it into any style or anything, just taking a knife and shredding it basically. So if you scroll down here, you can see all of these soap carvings. They're very popular, and then you've got the slime videos, and there's a few other different sorts of videos that do, like what's this one here? Crushing crunchy and soft things by a car, driving over a car with a pepper. I mean, 4.1 million views. Anyway, so this here is the channel. It's insane, isn't it, what people watch? So this is the channel. So what are they doing? So let me go ahead and show you an example of exactly what they're doing. Let's go into one of these soap carving videos and I'll show you this, and I'll show you where they're gonna, I'll show you the sort of content they're doing, and then I'll show you basically where you can go and get the content, and then after that I'll show you the software that you can use to go ahead and basically bring all of this together and start creating these types of videos yourself, if this is the route that you want to go down. Now you don't have to go down slime and soap. There's many more different categories or niches you can go in. In the past series we have looked at weight loss, we have looked at recipes, we have looked at gadgets. There's many options with this. So let me go ahead and show you this sort of video. Let me just quickly press play. I mean, literally, this is what the videos are like. It's just a lady or a man carving soap. It's just insane. And that's it. And basically what they're doing is, let me just go ahead and pause this now. Hang on. Go ahead and pause this. So basically what this channel is doing, they're basically going ahead and taking, let me get rid of that as well. They're taking like a handful of these videos, like 3 or 4, and they're putting them together into like a compilation of just soaps being destroyed. Now on this channel here, if you scroll down here, you'll see like this video here, for instance. If you just scroll down here, you can see this video is actually licensed under the Creative Commons, so you could actually go ahead and download this entire video and put this video together with a few other ones and then upload this yourself. Now if you are going down the Creative Commons route, and if you don't know what the Creative Commons license means, it basically means people upload videos onto YouTube under the Creative Commons license, and then you're allowed, you can see your reuse allowed, you're allowed to go ahead and use this video. But if you're going to go down that route, don't just download this and then upload it. You need to go ahead and build like a compilation, put a few of these together, put on an intro, put on an outro, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. But these videos here over on this channel should basically, he or her is finding all of these videos here on Instagram. Now if I go over to Instagram, I'll show you an account. This is just one account of thousands over on Instagram. So you see this one here? This is soap.asmr.ns. This channel here has got, I think it's sort of something ridiculous like 500,000 followers. But all they're doing, again, is just uploading these videos here. So if you just press play, hopefully, oh yeah, here we go. But that's the video. It's literally those 3 bars of soap just get carved up, and that is basically it. So how can you go ahead and create similar, and you can find millions of videos over on Instagram. You can use them as under the fair use videos, and all you need to do is make sure that you credit the author. So if you wanted to go ahead and download a bunch of these videos here, well, it's really simple. All you do is you go over to this website here. It's called downloadinstagramvideos.net. So you go over to Instagram, the video that you want to download, so in this example if you wanted to use this one here, you'd simply copy the link, go over to this download here, put in the URL here, paste, like that, click download Instagram video, and then what will happen is it just takes a minute or so, and then basically it shows you what the video will look like, and then you can simply go ahead and download that to your computer. So I'll just wait a second. This process here, when I was doing this last night, it was taking anywhere from 30 seconds up to a minute. So if this is uploaded in a second, I'll come back to this and show you in a minute. I'll come back to this. So if you just go back over here to Instagram, so let me come out of this video here, and I'll just click on this soap one here. You can simply go through Instagram and you can find, like I say, so many of these different types of videos just in the search bar on Instagram at the top. Just go through and search for whatever it is you're looking for, whether you're looking for soap carvings, whether you're looking for slime videos, whether you're looking for whatever the latest popular trend is or whatever. You'll be able to find lots on here. But you can see this channel here is just purely about carving up soap and destroying it. So you can see here 579,000 followers over on this channel here. Now what I have noticed on here over on YouTube on this 10 minutes amazing life, when I was going through their videos last night, in the descriptions there was actually linking out to the different Instagram accounts that they were taking the videos from. So they were basically saying credit over to this account here. So over on YouTube you're going to find lots of videos, and this soap carving, it seems to be quite a popular topic, this and slime for whatever reason. But if you are going to go down this route of creating these types of videos, make sure that you're including credits back to the author. So you've got another channel here, this Cakes Relax, and you can see they've got 135,000 subscribers. If we go into their video, again, I have no doubt it'll be exactly the same as the one that we looked at in the last video, where it's just the person carving up soap, and they'll include a link over to wherever they got that video. But on this example here, you can see this is the channel, credit here, Instagram. So it's actually linking over to that Instagram account that we've just had a look at. So that make sure that you are crediting the person or the account over on Instagram where you are finding these videos. And it's called fair use videos, so you can go ahead and use fair use videos as long as you basically credit the author, and don't just download one and upload that. Put together a few of these and make a compilation, and it's a really simple and a really easy way to go ahead and make some extra money on YouTube, and you don't have to be on camera yourself. So let me come out of this here, and let me come, and we'll go back over here. So we're back over here on this downloadinstagramvideos.net. So you can see here, this is the video that we were downloading from Instagram. You simply come down here and click on download video in MP4. So you download all of your videos, and then you can go ahead and use this free software, and I did this last night, so I'll show you an example of this. You come over to this website here, and it's called lumen5.com. So on Lumen5, it's all absolutely free to go ahead and get started with this. And what I like about this, it's got all your templates on there. You can edit everything that you do. So you simply, all of your videos that you've downloaded, you upload them onto Lumen.5, and then you just basically put them in the order that you want them to do. You can put text on here, so you can see on here, on this video here, I put soap carving, and then basically you just put them all together. And then you can download that, and then you can upload that onto YouTube. So let me go ahead and just show you this brief example that I was playing around with last night. And then you can see it just goes into the different videos that I've uploaded on here. But if I go back to the beginning here, let me go ahead and show you this. So you see this video behind here? This is actually built into the Lumen 5 software. So I simply searched for soap and it brought it up. This video here, again, this is included in this Lumen 5 software. So all of those videos there, they're all in their library. So you can simply scroll through and have a look at the videos. And honestly, all you do is you just drag from the left-hand side and you drop it over onto what is called your timeline, and then you can play around with this. You can play around with where the text goes, if you want the text at the bottom, at the top, in the middle, wherever. So it's absolutely free to get started with this website here. It's called Lumen 5. They do offer a paid service, but to be honest with you, you do not need it you don't need it. You absolutely don't. So I would highly recommend this website here, lumen5.com. It's really simple to use, it's easy, but most importantly, it is free. So that is today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you've got any questions whatsoever, please leave them down below. But thank you for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.